Okay guys, welcome to beautiful Koh Lipe, Thailand. Unfortunately for me, it's time to leave. My 3 nights is done. Back to reality. That's a landing craft. I think they were bringing building supplies. But that would be the only way to get a car or something there. Well, I guess there's not many cars. There's a few pickup trucks. The roads are really, really small here. But there's a pickup truck right there. They use them a lot for taxis. Beautiful beach, huh? Here's my ride. A different boat than the one I came on, but it did the same job. Actually, this one's a little bit bigger. They had some trouble with the anchor here. It was stuck in the bottom. It took quite a while to get away from the beach. local fishing boat. The competition, the race is on, they win. On purpose, I believe. And there we are, back to reality. Back to the mainland. Alright guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one. If you ever get the chance to go to Lipe, it's well worth the effort to get there. It is a beautiful place, but really difficult to get there. At least time consuming.
เดี๋ยวด้านหน้าเลยครับ
哎，这不中通吗？